grows, we have a delete section. We also made sure that we have
Welcome back to NJE NAI Codes. Just AI, no code. Let's cut it up.
they didn't have a delete and I have a delete, so I see why I have more buttons. So it's more aligned to this one actually. The tricky one that I'm going to probably add is what I wanted to do. Let's increase that top section. Let's make sure that the sum is larger font than the history, and let's say the sum is 30. 30 meaning size. Let's see if it gets that context. Set the font size input to 30. Perfect. There should be 24. Perfect. Assume that the output result is still large enough. Example 40. Perfect. Let it build. Let it build. Let's put that in. And we save. 22 plus 6. 8. But I don't see a difference in the font size. Looks like the button padding is too large. Let's do 5. Probably not padding, that is margin. And the sum still the same. Didn't say scalable. Got 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. I think I'll do styling as the last thing, because this is pretty much the exact same styling. So let's copy put this here, save. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Okay, that's fine. It is slightly different and you can see the opacities are there, so that's fine. I'll just drill into that to update. Okay, you see there's the sizing there, so I can now understand, make that 100, which is basically what I wanted, which is perfect. So I can say 2 times 9 equal to 18. Okay, before I run out of time, let's do this now. Okay, so let's go to the loans one. We've got 3 minutes left. We go to the loan calculator, grab all of that. Let's start another chat GPT. That's fine, let's keep the exact same one. Can we please date the annual interest? No, date the loan term to be a drop down, which is 1 to 10 if the user is on short term. No, 1 to 10, or 5, 10, 15, 20 if on long term. And let's make the long and short term toggle div1 equal / calculate code button at the bottom of the form. And I'm gonna give it the code. Got 1 minute left. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Probably gonna go over time. Give me another 5 minutes, guys. I want to do some theming so we can wrap this baby up. 1 minute. 1 minute. Well, actually, no, I need to finish in that 1 minute. Otherwise, I'm not sticking to the rules and principles that I set up. Style has an issue. Primary, migrate to background color. So it's showing me old code, migrate. Sorted. Look at that. Hey, hey, hey. So we are done, ladies and gentlemen, for today's video. We have got this working correctly long term, because it's compound interest. I don't know how it does its calculate. Oh, there, 5 years. This is 1 year. So in theory, if I say 5 years here, short term, long term, slightly different. Not entirely sure it does calculate it, but I'll have to check and understand. But this is where we are right now. So we got the drop downs in place. From the drop downs, we fixed the calculates correctly. We got the styling updated. Rows, we got the delete section. We also made sure that we have added. And also, if a user clicks a number, it redoes the calculation. I see one thing that I want to improve from there, but we have that done also. And there we have the app right now. So the next video will probably just be the final styling of this application, and it'll be us calling it a wrap for this series. If you've enjoyed and you like the content that I'm trying to do and what I am trying to, well, I said that already. If you enjoy the content, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for tuning into, I still don't even know what I'm calling it. It's either NJE NAI Code or Marcus NAI Code. NAI meaning barber, which is originated from Hindi, because I am the barber that is trying to conjure an AI and an idea to get a product and showing how efficiently we can do it, but also trying to see how far we can push ChatGPT. I don't think it'll take people's jobs, but if you don't know how to ask the questions correctly, then you will fall behind in terms of developing. But yeah, that's just my thing. If you believe it or you don't believe it, or you have your own opinion, please make sure you comment down and let's see, or let's have a chat about that. Probably we can have another video where we discuss how far ChatGPT can take us. But other than that, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.